have a monster of a truck, you need a monster of a mud flap. Husky Liner's KickBack mud flaps create additional clearance for your huge tires, and as you'll see, they're also real easy to install. First, let's look at the materials and tools we recommend you use. A power drill with 1/8 and 1/4 inch drill bits, a 5/16 socket with drill attachment, a 7/16 wrench or socket driver, a 5/32 Allen wrench, and some clay for marking mounting locations. Open your new Husky Liner's package. Remove the KickBack flaps, additional hardware, and the instructions. Lay everything out and get familiar with the parts and associated part names listed on the instructions. Attach the lower mud flap section to the KickBack bracket with the supplied stainless steel hardware. Next, clean the mounting location on your vehicle. Throughout this installation, we recommend you utilize existing factory fasteners and holes to reduce the need for drilling additional mounting holes. We recommend using a minimum of 4 fasteners per mud flap. Locate any existing fasteners or holes and place a small ball of clay on the head of each fastener. If you don't have 4 existing fasteners or holes, then locate where you want to install the additional fasteners and place a small ball of clay in that location. Once you've identified at least 4 mounting locations, align the outer edge of the KickBack mud flap with the edge of the tire. This will provide you maximum coverage. Then align the bottom of the mud flap so it's parallel to the ground. Once aligned, firmly press the bracket against the clay to transfer the mounting locations. Drill fastening holes into the mounting bracket at the marked locations. If using the supplied self-drilling screws, a small 1/8 inch pilot hole may help to ease installation. Install the mud flap with factory fasteners or supplied hardware. For rear mud flap installation, the supplied twist bracket is used to brace the inboard side of the mud flap. Locate an existing hole or factory fastener on the underside of the fender behind the mud flap to mount the twist bracket. If an existing hole is not available, a hole will need to be drilled through the truck body. Using the twist bracket as a template, mark and drill a 1/4 inch hole on the inboard side of the mud flap and underside of the body if no hole is available. Install a 1/4 inch 20 hex bolt and nylon lock nut to fasten the twist bracket to the body and the mud flap. The twist bracket can be bent to accommodate different angles or lengths. There you have it. We hope you experience many years of increased protection for your truck